If your ABS light is on, there's a good chance that there's a fault code stored in the ABS module. Fault code might also be stored in the traction control or stability control. Enter those different systems and scan them for fault codes. Here we're in the ABS control module, and we can go ahead and read fault codes. And it just says that brake pad wear, front axle, and status is current, so that just means that the front brake pads needs to be replaced. Over here it says 1 code total, 1 out of 1. Here is the code number. Down here is the status, so it says current, which means this issue is existing and it's not fixed. If it was fixed, it would say stored, meaning that it's stored, it recognized it, but it's only in the past and now it can be erased. And the way that you would erase it after you fix the problem is you'll come here to clear full memory, press OK, and then it says, do you want to clear the DTC, which stands for diagnostic trouble codes? Select yes to clear DTC or select no to exit. So we'll select yes and press OK, and that's it. You can also use the scanner to stream some live data. So if you still are having problems, or you want to see what's happening with the different sensors in your car that are related to the ABS, you can monitor things like wheel speed sensor. For example, you can look at all the wheels and see what they're doing. Right here we're stopped, so they say 0 kilometers per hour, but there's other things that you can stream here. For example, a steering angle sensor, and we'll go ahead and you can see 0.35 degrees. So if we move the steering wheel, you can see that change there. Let's go and see what else. The pressure sensor switch, warning lamps, tire defect indicator, and this is just the hardware serial number. So that's it. Thank you for watching.